force, work, and energy.
Let us explore.
In our daily life, we move objects from here to there. For example, we lift our school bag and while playing we throw the ball. In these actions, we need to push or pull the object so that they move from one place to another. What are the effects of force? Force can move an object at rest. Force can speed up a moving object. Force can change the direction of a moving object. Force can stop a moving object. Force can change the shape of an object. Force can slow down a moving object. Types of forces. In the nature, force exists in different types. Muscular force. The force applied by our body is called muscular force. Example, if we lift a book or a bag from ground, our muscles do work for lifting. So, muscular force is applied by our arms. Similarly, pulling a bed, pushing the door, riding a bicycle, and throwing or kicking a ball. Magnetic force. Objects made of iron, nickel, and cobalt are attracted by magnets. The force exerted by the magnet to pull objects towards it is called magnetic force. Activity. Take a bar magnet, go to a sand pool, dip the magnet in the sand, take it out from the sand. You can see black color fillings stuck to the magnet. These are the iron fillings. So we can say that magnet exerts a force of attraction. Gravitational force. Every object thrown up falls down to the earth. A ball thrown up comes down. A fruit from a tree falls down. The earth attracts every object towards it. The force by which the earth pulls the objects towards it is called gravitational force or gravity. Friction. When we roll a ball on the floor, it gradually slows down and stops. It is because of the friction between the two objects in contact with each other. Friction is a force that tries to stop a moving object. Activity. Push a table on a rough surface and on a smooth surface. On which surface do you have to apply much force? Observation. We have to apply much force to push the object on the rough surface. Smooth surfaces like glass or ice cause less friction. Writing on a rough surface is easier than writing on a smooth surface. It is very much difficult to walk on a very smooth surface as compared to a rough surface. Smooth surfaces provide less friction. Electrostatic force. Activity. Take a comb your hair. Take small bits of paper, take comb near to them. We see the bits of paper getting attracted by the comb. This is because of electrostatic force. An inflated balloon attracts bits of paper. Simple machines. Simple machines are the devices which make our work easier and faster. Lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, wedge and screw are simple machines. Lever. This is a simple machine used to cut things, a pair of scissors, lift objects, seesaw. Open lids, a bottle opener. Pulley. A pulley is a simple machine used to draw water from the well. It consists of a rope running over a grooved wheel. We see people using this in villages to draw water. Inclined plane. An inclined plane is used to load heavy barrels, sacks, etc. onto trucks. It is basically a slope over which a load can be pushed or pulled easily. Screw. A screw is a nail with grooves cut into it. It is used to hold things together. Wedge. It is a simple machine used to cut things. It has a sharp edge at one end. Axe and knife are examples of wedge. Wheel and axle. It is the arrangement of a wheel and a rod. A rod passes through the center of a wheel. The wheel rotates around the rod. It helps to move heavy objects. Steering and bicycle pedals are the examples of wheel and axle. Work. Activity. Move a chair from its position to another position. You have applied a force such that the chair changed its position. Now go to the wall and try to move it. It doesn't move. It won't change its position. When the force applied can move an object from one place to another, we say that some work is done. Work is said to be done only when a force applied on an object can move it from one position to another in the direction of the force applied. Work is done in moving the wheelchair. No work done in pushing the wall. Energy. Energy is the ability to do work. We need energy to do anything. Sources of energy. Sun is the main source of energy. The energy that we get from the sun is called the solar energy. Plants use solar energy for making food. Solar energy can be changed into heat energy, light energy, and electrical energy. Solar cookers and solar heaters work using solar energy. Solar panels trap the energy of the sun and convert it into the electrical energy. Wind energy. The energy we get from the wind is called wind energy. It is used to move the fans of windmills. This wind is used to produce electrical energy. Water. Flowing water contains energy. Energy produced by the flowing water is called water energy or hydro energy. The energy of water falling from dams is used to rotate the turbines to generate electricity.